welcome back to our class. As we have finished our previous class with the lesson, I will do it in page number 23. As we have finished the first paragraph, and now in this class we are going to continue the same lesson. Okay, shall we make a slight recap of it? We started our lesson related to the topic of Mr. Narayan Murthy, the founder of Infosys, one of the biggest company in India, one of the leading company. Okay, and also we had discussed about Mrs. Narayan Murthy, Sudha Murthy, right? Now in this lesson I am going to continue from page number 23, second paragraph. Okay, hold your textbooks before you, because you will have a question related to the textbook. In what way you will have? For example, this lesson is there. From this lesson, he may choose any paragraph. And he will give you like blanks. Like filling the blanks is to be. For that, you are going to get 5 marks. So, after completion of every lesson, not only my subject to all the subjects, if you go through the lesson once, just read it once. It will be a good advantage to you. It becomes an asset to you. You don't get any problem. Easily you can attempt the questions. Okay? Now shall we go into the lesson? The D-Day came. He came to Bangalore, stayed with some relatives, and appeared for the entrance test. He did very well, but would only say okay when asked. It was the opposite when it came to food. When he said okay, it implied bad. When he said good, it implied okay. When he said excellent, it implied good. His principle was never to hurt anyone. So, see, great people and very simple people, but they don't speak much. Okay, we must get the meanings of their words, behind of the words of them. To know the meanings of them, it will be a very deeper one. We should have a very deep thoughts. Then here also, when he had attended the exam of IIT in Bangalore with all the friends and relatives he had spent, and before they are going for dinner, everybody asked, it is a common question, right? Even when you write board exams also, when you immediately come out of the center, if your parents are, if your teachers, come on, how did you write? This is the first question if everybody will ask. It's not it, it's a common question. It will be asked by everybody. And the same question everybody asked, then he had told, okay. Okay means, see here, he has said some words here. If he said okay, it implied bad. When he said good, it implied okay. Okay, if he said good, okay, it means that it is okay. When he said excellent, it means it is good. So very short words he will use to know the performance of him, how he had attempted. Even though he will use the short words to say the meaning of them. And his principle was to never hurt to anyone. Means he did not have any intention to hurt anybody. To all the people he will say only one word, okay. Okay means okay, I had attended well. That's all. In a simple manner he will finish it out. The IIT entrance results came. He had finished the exam and the results had come. He had passed with a high rank. What a delight for any student. He was thrilled. He went to his father who was reading a newspaper. So he got a very good rank. And he had such a happiness in him that because to every student, to every child, there will be a dream. Definitely there will be a dream. It is most of the boys, they will be very passionate about playing cricket. I want to be a cricketer, There was a struggle, but that struggle, fully they put efforts, definitely we will find number of crickets from our area. It's not it. It happens, 100% it happens. But for that, they should make a way to reach our goal, No one person will not create the way for us. We are the creators. It is our ambition, our goal. So you have to create a way to reach your goal. So here, he had got very good rank and he was very happy. He felt that complete happiness in the world is with him. So he felt very happy and told his father he had went. When he was reading a newspaper, he went, Anna, I have passed the exam. Well done my boy, I want to join IIT. His father stopped reading the paper. So he said, I had got a very good rank in IIT. Now I would like to join in IIT. He had said. Then when he had said, immediately his father stopped reading the paper. To a middle class father, the middle class father, that too in those days, studying IIT is very expensive. Studying in IIT is very, very expensive. It is not an easy job. And most of the middle class families, economically, their range may not be very high. Even in newspapers, in news channels, now we will see so and so student got medicine top rank, but she economically, they were very backward. Then, some people used to help them. It's not it. Such a thing we used to see. Sometimes, even though we had talent in us, we had very good subject. We are very good in our subjects, Sometimes our economical position will not support. Here, the same situation Mr. Murthy has faced in his life. He lifted his head, looked at the boy and said with a heavy voice, "My son, you are a bright boy. You know our financial position. I have 5 daughters to be married off and 3 sons to educate. I am a salaried person. I can't afford you expensive IIT. You can stay in Mysore and study as much as you want." So, directly, openly he had told a middle class father situation in such a way that he had 5 daughters has to be get married. He had a responsibility, 5 daughters and 3 brothers apart from Murthy, completely 9 members. He had that much big responsibility, and that man, his father, is dependent on his salary. He was a teacher, a reading subject of English, high school teacher. With this salary only, these many family members should live. Just imagine, students, how hard it is. Father's role is a very difficult role. A middle class father, he struggles. His pain is like a war. How it is a war, Sometimes, if we ask anything, he should sacrifice something. Your mother or your father. Festival comes, we will shout, "I want that, I want this." But behind of that, how many sacrifices he used to do, only he knows it. So it's the same experience here Murthy's father has faced. Even though Murthy was very brilliant, he was very efficient, he had a very good subject in maths and physics. He was a very good, bright student. But even though, what was his problem is that his drawback is his economical position. He had come from a middle class family. Even though he got a good rank, in those days, there is no support financially. So his father openly had told that, "Son, I had 5 daughters to be get married and also 3 brothers to get educated. As much as you want to be studied in Mysore, you can. I can offer. But even though you want to study IIT, I can't put that many expenses. I don't have that much money." Openly he had told. Indeed, it was a difficult situation for any father to say no to his bright son. But circumstances were like that. It was common there for the man to be the single earning member with a large family depend on him. So Murthy had understood circumstances, situations are in those days were like that. One man, only one man's salary, on one man's salary, 10 members, 10 people should live. Imagine how difficult it was in those days. That man, can he have offered to make his son study IIT in those days? Okay, with 1 2 children, it may be possible. But even though the complete family, daughter and children, completely 9 members together, including Murthy, they were 9. Right? So this much big family should depend on only one person. How can it be possible to make him to study IIT? That's why he had analyzed all the situations. And it is very bad to get such a situation is that his son was a very bright student. But that bright student is not getting an opportunity to study IIT. See, he has that. His father said that he was sad that he had to tell the bitter truth to his son. But it could not be helped. The boy had to understand reality. The teenager was disappointed. It seemed that his dreams had burned to ashes. He was so near to fulfilling his fondest hope, yet so far. His heart sank in sorrow. He did not reply. He never shared his unhappiness or helplessness with anybody. He was an introvert by nature. His heart was bleeding, but he did not get angry with anybody. The day came. His classmates were leaving for Madras, now Chennai. They were taking a train from Mysore to Madras. They have shared good years in school and college together. He went to the station to say goodbye and good luck to them for their future life. See, his father was very vexed, very sad. He felt very sad to say those words to his son. See, a situation, but imagine, even though when we are very good in subjects, sometimes our family standards will not help us to reach our goals, to reach our dreams. It happened in Modi's life. His dreams had been turned into ashes, right? Completely they put into ashes. But he did not show his anger on anybody. He know his family circumstances, financial level, and it was very difficult to study IIT with his father, and he knows everything. But it was his dream. It was his dream to reach here. So all his friends, the day had come. All his friends, even though they did not get good rank, they were going to study. In those days, Chennai has the famous IIT. Actually, the first IIT in India is Kharagpur, which is very famous. Later on, Chennai. So all his friends were leaving to do IIT for Chennai, but he did not feel bad. Of course, they are getting an opportunity to go. So all their friends, like school, college, they study together. So he went to railway station to give a send off to his friends. Even though he knew very well that he was unable to read, that's why with a sinking heart, with a bad feeling, with an emotion, with the tears, he had full of tears in his heart. If anybody will ask, he used to cry. Such a situation, Murthy, he had controlled his emotion, he had controlled his feelings, he understood financial strategy and everything, his family circumstances, and he had convinced himself, yes, what I can do, I can't do anything. So he had compromised for it. At the station, his friends were already there. They were excited and talking loudly. The noise was like the chirping of birds. They were all excited and discussing their new hostels, new courses, etc. He was not part of it, so he stood there silently. One of them noticed and said, "You should have made it." He did not reply. He only wished all of them. They waved at him as the train slowly left the platform. He stood there even after he could no longer see the train or the waving hands. It was the June of 1962 in Mysore city. Monsoon had set in and it was getting dark. It had started to drizzle, and he stood there motionless. He said to himself, without anger or jealousy, all students from the IIT study well and do things in life. But it is not the institution, ultimately, it is you and you alone who can change your life by hard work. So, he had how the station was, when we are entering to, for example, school level, after completion of school level, we go to the college life, full of life. We used to enjoy such a life, right? We will imagine we'll have a lot of expectations in our college life. In the same way, all his friends, when they were going to study IIT in Chennai, he was birds early morning, how they make sounds, chirping happiness. Like that, the children, the students who had very eager to study IIT, who were going to Chennai, the platform was completely like a crash. They were shouting, they're sharing happiness, everybody. But among them, one boy had observed Mr. Murthy, and he had come. Actually, you must try to study. Why you stopped? Just he had said a word, but when he had told the word, there is full of heavy burden in the heart of Mr. Murthy. He could not share, but even though he was with a full of happiness, he had come to give a send off to his friends. He did not have any jealous feeling. He did not have an opportunity, but he got the opportunity. See, a great heart, a great mind will have great qualities. A cheap mind, a cheap attitude will blame others, will comment others, will think of others. But right people, they don't blame. They will blame themselves. My family problem. Because Murthy his family financially is not supportable and affordable. His father could not afford to study IIT. He knew it, right? And what he had told, until what can you study in Mysore? You try, then I can offer. But even though if you study IIT somewhere, I can't afford it. He said it openly. Then what Murthy had convinced himself, if I do IIT only, my knowledge will come. If I study anything, my life will not change. So wherever you are, whatever you are, however you are, it doesn't matter. First of all, what you are, what qualities in you will make you the right person. That is important. See here, even though you are middle class or lower class, you are a poor man or you are poor man than that, anything. But the qualities which are in us will change our life. See students, it is very important. And probably he was not aware that he was following the philosophy Bhagavad Gita. Your best friend is yourself. Your worst enemy is yourself. Your best friend is yourself. Your worst enemy is yourself. It was a quotation in Bhagavad Gita. Your best friend, for your enmity, for your friendship, only you are responsible. And later he worked very hard and focused on it, one thing, never bothering about his personal life or comforts. He shared his wealth with all others. He never used to help of any caste, community or political connections to go up in life. As son of a school teacher, showed other Indians it was possible to earn wealth legally and ethically. He built a team of people who were equally good. He became a pioneer of India's software industry and started the information and technology wave. Today he has become an icon of simplicity, uncompromising quality and fairness. Apart from being a philanthropist, he really believes in the motto powered by intellect and driven by values. He is none other than Mr. Nagaraj Ramarao Narayan Murthy, the founder of Infosys, a leading IT company in the world. See here, everything goes fair and transparent, right? When we are going to do a war. Yeah, when we are going to do a war, everything is it should be very transparent. Here, Murthy, even though he did not study IIT, with his studies, he had formed a team. After completion of his studies, where IT, information technology was in boom. It is in high way that it had a lot of importance in those days. Software sector was getting increased. At that time, he formed it and also he had made a way to start a company. With some of his friends, he started a company. And that had led to start a multinational company, a leading company in India, Infosys. He had become the founder. What qualities, he had told a word. Powered by intellect and driven by values. Powered by intellect. Your intellectuality has to create a power. And your values will make you to lead a life. If you have good values, even though you are not educated, if you maintain values, if you maintain value with your family, if you maintain a value to you, if you give importance to you, if you give importance to the society, community, to the country, definitely we will be the bright students. Leave the studies. Character, values, emotions, ethics, and the money which he had earned, legally, ethically he had earned. That is the specialty of Mr. Murthy. See, what was the success? What was the great value? What was the reason behind of his success? If anybody will ask, he will say that one reason, if you have seen the interview of Mr. Murthy, the values were in my family. The values which my father had taught. He did not encourage him to do any other thing. Hey, you can't study, simply shut your mouth and be at home. Whatever the way he had got, with that only, he had created a way and at last he had reached. Two sentences which were in this lesson, your best friend is yourself, your worst enemy is yourself, right? This is the first one which he had inspired, and the second one is powered by intellect and driven by values. These two words had changed the life of Mr. Murthy. I hope he had become an inspiration to you and you will get succeeded like Mr. Murthy. I am not telling that be like Murthy. At least what he had followed values. So be with that values. Give respect to your parents. Give respect to your family. Give respect to the ethics. Some things, technology is there. Technology developed, but we did not feel the father is like father, mother is like mother, and son is like son, daughter is like daughter. That did not get changed. When we forgot the values, we are zero. We should remember everything, what we are. Even though Murthy had become an MNC company but he did not forget his financial strategy. That's what you are, where you are, from where you had come. If you forget when you become successful person, again you will go to the same place. Who did not forget that, he will be the real achiever. I hope you will become the achievers of your life, of your dreams. I hope all your students, 10th class, I wish you all the best to fulfill of your very cherished dreams. I hope all your dreams might come true. I bless you all. And we had come to the end of the lesson. Okay, we finished the lesson. Your homework, you used to write the summary of 1C in homework 1. the summary of I will do it lesson. Homework, write one time in homework book. Why I am telling you to write the summary? Because when you will write summary, once you go through the lesson, just read the lesson once, you will understand. He was an inspired student. Not only Murthy, even you can get the inspirers in your family as in the shape of your father and mother. Just inspire from them. Later on, inspire the other people. Okay? I wish you all the best. See you in our next